Downtown, AP, U.S. safety regulators have expressed concern after Elon Musk said in a tweet that Tesla may permit some owners who are testing a full self-driving system to turn off an alarm that prompts them to maintain their hands on the wheel. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, Tesla was questioned about the tweet. The incident is now a part of a larger investigation into at least 14 Teslas that have collided with emergency vehicles while using the Autopilot driver assistance technology, the government stated last week. Tesla still states on its website that the cars cannot drive themselves, despite the moniker. Although Teslas equipped with full self-driving can frequently drive alone, experts warn that the technology is not error-free. CEO Musk stated in October, "We're not claiming it's quite ready to have no one behind the wheel." One of Elon Musk's most fervent supporters suggested on Twitter on New Year's Eve that motorists with more than 10,000 miles of full self-driving testing should have the choice to disable the steering wheel nag, a warning that urges motorists to keep their hands on the wheel. Agreed, update coming in Jan, Musk retorted. You're kind of participating in an experiment when using FSD beta, Fisher added. The issue is that the nearby drivers didn't sign up to take part in the experiment. A request seeking comment on the tweet and related driver monitoring was ignored by Tesla. Government investigators and auto safety groups have long criticized Tesla's monitoring system as being insufficient. Poor monitoring was identified by the National Transportation Safety Board 3 years ago as a significant cause in a deadly Tesla collision in California in 2018. The board suggested a better system, but Tesla, according to the board, has not reacted. Professor of Electrical and Computer Engineering at Carnegie Mellon University Philip Koopman stated that Tesla's internal contradictions may cause drivers to become perplexed. They're trying to appease customers by removing their hands off the wheel, despite the fact that the owner's manual specifically advises against doing so. The more advanced full self-driving system, as well as Autopilot, are indeed designed to be used by a fully attentive driver who has their hands on the wheel and is prepared to take control at any moment, according to Tesla's website. It claims that the systems lack complete autonomy. The NHTSA has been looking into Tesla's partially autonomous systems since a driver using Autopilot was killed in Florida in June 2016 when his Tesla slid beneath a tractor trailer that was in its way. Beginning in August 2021, a separate investigation into Tesla vehicles that collided with emergency vehicles while on Autopilot. NHTSA has dispatched investigators to 35 Tesla collisions where autonomous technologies are suspected of being employed, including the Florida collision. In such collisions, 19 persons lost their lives. Tesla may be switching to the camera to monitor drivers by turning off the steering wheel nag, according to Fisher, but that is uncertain. Fisher claimed that despite the labels suggesting that Autopilot and full self-driving can operate independently, Tesla clearly wants owners to remain the primary drivers. However, the NTSB warns that when human drivers are distracted or engaged in other activities, they may wind up letting their guard down and relying too heavily on the systems. According to Fisher, those who employ full self-driving are likely to exercise greater caution when taking over because the technology is prone to error. Using that technique, he declared, I wouldn't dare take my hands off the wheel for the simple reason that it can do things unexpectedly. He claimed that NHTSA has sufficient information to take action and compel Tesla to put up a stronger monitoring system. The organization claims that it won't comment on ongoing inquiries.